Understanding shielding gas in welding. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase from the world of welding, shielding gas. This term is not only interesting in its technical application, but it also provides a great example of how English combines words to create specific meanings. Let's dive in and demystify shielding gas together. Shielding gas refers to a type of gas used in welding processes. It's a protective gas that prevents atmospheric contamination during the welding of metals. The term consists of two words, shielding and gas. Here, shielding acts as an adjective, describing the purpose of the gas, which is to protect or shield. The word gas is a noun, referring to the state of matter used in this process. In welding, metallic components are fused together using high heat. However, this process can be adversely affected by elements like oxygen, nitrogen, and water vapor present in the air. Shielding gas plays a crucial role by forming a barrier around the weld area, protecting it from these elements. This ensures a stronger, cleaner weld, free from impurities that could weaken the joint. There are several types of shielding gases used, each with its own properties and applications. Common examples include argon, used for its inert properties and versatility; carbon dioxide, affordable and effective, but can create a harsher welding environment; helium, provides deep penetration, ideal for thicker materials. Each type of gas offers different benefits, and the choice depends on the material being welded and the desired characteristics of the weld. I hope this explanation has shed light on what shielding gas means and why it's significant in welding. Remember, understanding such technical terms not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into various professional fields. Keep learning and exploring, and I'll see you in our next video.